let's quickly go across to Gargi Parikh, who joins us with a quick perspective on Man Industries, where she's picking up news of a potential order win.
That's right, Tanveer. The company is expected to announce an order win of about 1,500 to 2,000 crore rupees. In fact, the company in a recent interview mentioned that they had bid for orders worth about 4,000 crore rupees. Sources tell us that they have been L1 in a couple of orders that they have bid for, and very soon the management is expected to announce 1,500 to 2,000 crore worth of orders from a Southeast Asian oil and gas major company. Earlier too, they have had order wins from this particular company. In fact, in the last 2 quarters also, they have announced some order wins from the oil and gas space. Just to tell you what the management told us, they have confirmed that 4,000 crore worth of bids have been put in. They have been L1 in few of the orders. They cannot comment on the exact quantum of orders that they are expected to win, but they have very good relations and historic relations with the companies that we are talking about. Probably that's the reason management also confident that they probably will be able to garner orders worth about 2,000 crore rupees. Remember, the current order book is only about 1,500 crore rupees for the company, and this is the ELSO and ETSO pipes that we are talking about here.
So Gargi, you're saying that these are like a bunch of orders that could come in or trickle in for the company over the next 45 days, which are remaining in this quarter. And just tell us, are these from one particular space, or are these spread over the different business segments that Man Industries may be operating in?
Well, Neeraj, the orders really coming in only from the oil and gas sector. But yes, there are different companies, different customers that we are talking about here. So it's not going to be one order, probably 3 different orders that the company is talking about. Just to give you a timeline, we understand that in the next 2 to 3 weeks, we will hear the announcements coming in. The sources are telling us that by March end, surely the company is going to get orders worth about 2,000 crore rupees, almost doubling the order book from current levels.
And that will be huge, Gargi. I mean, the stock is moving as well, 4.5% up now, while you're bringing that story. 2,000 crores of order wins in this quarter alone, the next 45 days alone, compared to an order book of 1,500 crores. Just if you have a sense, Gargi, I don't know, I'm throwing this out of the dark at you, but if you have a sense of what are the annual sales for the company, and therefore an order of 2,000 crores, how important would it be, not just from the current order book perspective, but from an annual revenue run rate perspective as well?
Well, Neeraj, if you see, typically in the March quarter, we usually hear companies announcing orders closing in the deals, etc. Even in the September quarter, we usually see a seasonal impact coming in where companies are bidding for different projects. So typically we will, by the end of the year, hear announcements, order wins, especially coming in for pipe companies. If you talk about, the revenue, if you look at their the last quarter gone by, that's the Q3, they had posted about 27 crore rupees worth of profits and an uptick of about 7% coming in. On a sales on the sales front, also about a 7% increase that they posted. If we talk about a 2,000 crore order book, typically it will be spread over at least a year. So you can divide it into different quarters, because almost an equal revenue would be reported in different quarters. So clearly it is a big order win coming in, because it's mainly doubling the order book. But more or less we'll see how actually the stock price pans out when the announcement comes in.